So this video is going to explain to you how to use the Tracks for Africa online route planning tool and then eventually putting it on the navigation app that you can get on your phone or your tablet and have it available at any time. Doesn't matter if you have signal or not. Enjoy the video. I hope this helps. Okay, so you go to Tracks for Africa's website. Okay, then you go to trip planning, log in. If you're not registered yet, just quickly register. Put in all your details, log in. Okay, so now we're logged in. You can see the user successfully logged in. Okay, so today I'm just for the means of explaining you how this tool works. Let's take from Sutherland to Karoo National Park entrance gate, just to show you exactly. Okay, so and then when you located your starting point, what I usually do is I put on here on the right hand side, lodging, fuel, attractions, and scenic. You can go through that. There's a lot more options that you can select that it shows you exactly on the map. Okay, so go into Sutherland. Let's say we are staying here at La Paris Bed and Breakfast. Okay. Add trip. Says new trip number 1. Press add. Okay, you can also put in here, let's say it's new trip number 2, let's say demo, just for demonstration. Say yes. Okay, so then you just hold your mouse on the accommodation where you are sleeping, plus trip. It shows you exactly existing trip or new trip, and you already started a new trip now, so it shows you demo. You can choose it on all of your trips to add it somewhere. Okay, so let's add it to demo. I'm just gonna zoom out a bit. Already sort of had a look at the route, so I'm just going to I know how the route goes, but I'll zoom in and out just to show you the exact route and how we plan it. Okay, then let's say we're gonna put in this attraction, roadside picnic spot, add to trip, add. Okay, so and then just put the route, new route. There it zooms out now. Let's just go back a bit. Okay, so it shows new route. You put in your accommodation where you slept the night. Just press add. Okay, that was our first stop. The second stop was the roadside picnic spot. We've put it here in the route. So just press add there. There you can see it already adds to the route that you started just now. The first thing that you can do is it already shows you, as you add it, it shows you how far it is and travel time. Then you have the option to use the Skilpaatjie or the Hasie. The rabbit is to optimize based on time, and the tortoise is to take you to that road less traveled. To optimize based on distance is the description that they give. Okay, so I'm just going to exit here. It was just to show you how I normally start the route. Then the next thing is I'm going to put in Rooikloof Pass, add trip, Okay, so and then what I do is at every turn that I want to go to that road, I just put in add to trip, just to make it easier for the application to know exactly how you want to drive your route. And then what I normally do is one turn category. You need to select a category. So what I normally do is with my turns, I just say more, existing trip, new trip. We put it to the existing trip of a demo and add. Okay, then you go to the next turn. You left click on your mouse, then it gives you that pin drop. Press on the pin drop, add to trip, take that BOI name out, turn, category, more, add. Okay, so let's just quickly go back to routes. Let's add our turn 1. See here it asks route position, add turn 1 before or after the roadside picnic spot. So here you can play and decide, okay, now I want to put it before or after. It all depends on how you are planning your trip. I usually start from a beginning point and go through and then just add after my previous BOI. So just press add and then turn 2, press that plus button, add. Okay, now you see it recalculate. It shows you recalculate. Press on recalculate. There you see it shows you the route as you put in your POIs. Shows you how far it is, time that's gonna needed for travel, and then I normally use the tortoise. Okay, so now it doesn't change anything. Let's say, for example, I didn't put in this turn 1 and that Rooikkloof Pass. If you then changes back to the rabbit, it will take you that way, just to spare you some time. That's why I keep it on the tortoise, to give me the more scenic route and to get in all my POIs. Okay, let's zoom out a bit again. Next turn, add to route. Oh no. Yeah, add to route. When you're in your route, you can select to add it to your route, or you can just put it in your trip, and then you can put it in exactly in the order that you want. I normally put everything to the trip, and then when I add my route, I can just add it as I have planned my route. So let's say 3, turn, BOI, more, add. It already shows you it's added. You can press recalculate, and there it shows to your turn 3. So I'm just gonna speed up this video a bit, otherwise this video is gonna get a lot bigger than expected. Just stick with me.
Someone new that
Okay, so the last point here is the gate of the Karoo National Park. Add to route, entrance gate. More. After to number 6, add, and there we have it. And that shows you your whole route. Then scroll down. Let's do a recalculate. It calculates everything for you. Then you zoom out again. Shows you exactly the route that you're going to take, all the POIs you've put in, and that's how you do it. Show you just after this how to incorporate this trip that you just done here on Tracks for Africa's online trip planning tool, how to get it into your phone on the Tracks for Africa navigation app. Okay, so here we are on our phone. Go to Tracks for Africa app. Press the 3 buttons on top. Log in. Just put in your details. If not, just register. Okay. I go to the area. Go to trips. Select the get latest right corner on the top. Just press the download button on the trip that was just planned on the website. Select the downloaded map, the demo. Then we have it. It's on the app. Zoom in, shows you exactly as we planned the route from start to finish. Just zooming in a bit just to show you the whole trip does show on the app. So now it shows offline on your phone or on your tablet to give you that perfect route planning right at the palm of your hand.